Hey YouTube, this is Desiree, and I'm going to sing Ready for Love from India Ari. Here we go. I am ready for love. Why are you hiding from me? I quickly give my freedom to be held in your captivity. I am ready for love. All of the joy and the pain, and all the time that it takes just to stay in your good grace. Lately I've been thinking maybe you're not ready for me. Maybe you think I need to learn maturity. They said, oh, watch what you ask for, 'cause you might receive. And if you ask me tomorrow, I say the same thing. I am ready for love. Would you please lend me your ear? I promise I won't complain. I just need you to acknowledge I am here. If you give me half a chance, I'll prove this to you. I will be patient, kind, faithful, and true to a man who loves music, a man who loves art, respects the spirit world, and thinks with his heart. I am ready for love. If you take me in your hands, I will learn what you teach and do the best that I can. I am ready for love, here with an offering of my voice.